6 minus 2 times 6 minus 2. Now it's very easy. What you just need to do is just minus 6 minus 2 will give us what? 4. 6 minus 2 will give us 4. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. But this answer is very wrong. The reason why it is wrong is because we omitted the rule of operation, which is, or we omitted order of operation. This is the order of operation. And our order of operation is BODMAS or PEMDAS, as the case may be. This B stands for bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. And when you are solving this question, applying this rule, we are solving from left to right. Don't forget that division and multiplication have equal priority. So you solve from left to right. If you meet division first, you use division. If you meet multiplication first, you do the multiplication. So if we follow the rules, this is what our answer will be like. So 6 minus 2 will give us 4. Remember, there's a multiplication sign here because if a number is close to this parenthesis, it means multiplication. So we put our multiplication sign here. Now we have multiplication and what? Division. Now if you look at it, multiplication, the remaining operator we have here is minus and multiplication. So what we are going to do is we have to multiply first because multiplication comes before addition. So 2 times 4 will give you what? 8, right? Then bring our minus 6 minus down. We bring this 2 down. 6 minus 8 will give us what? Minus 2, right? Our answer is negative 2. That is the final answer.